This cheesecake is about to be your new obsession. Start with fresh cream. Whip it up until it's nice and fluffy. Next, add Dlecta cream cheese. Whip it until it's soft and smooth. Now add some sugar for sweetness. Whip it too. A little more sugar and we whip it again. You'll love the texture. Now, let's add that whipped cream to the mix to give it a light, airy finish. Line the pan with crumpled parchment paper. This helps the cake come out perfectly textured. Now, pop the pan into a baking tray. Add some water around it to help bake it evenly. Bake for about 50 to 55 minutes. Don't worry about the burnt top. That is the magic. Carefully peel off the parchment and voila! Your perfect Burnt Basque Cheesecake is ready. Dig in and enjoy. This one's definitely gonna steal your heart. Loved this recipe? Like, share and subscribe for more cheesy goodness.